And Mr. Bacon just snoring away. Not giving a care about fireworks at all. What is going on, guys? We're back with Eat Deep on the Smoking Alien. This is the Hershey Kiss of Death. It's not just a kiss of death. 23 shot, 500 grammer. Again, coming at you from Intergalactic Fireworks. Let's find you the performance on this bad boy. Here we go. So there is your colors. Description: these kisses are so extra special. Golden pine mines to huge breaks of golden pine with red, green, and blue stars with white strobe and a sweet, yummy, yummy ending. Here's your pretty old colors. This is the Kiss of Death. Again, from Smoking Alien, which I got from Intergalactic Fireworks. Thumbs up, thumbs down. We'll see you in the comments down below.